Okay, so recently I was watching Dragon Ball on my YouTube and change गलत वाले क्लिप गलत और मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैंने इतने लंबे टाइम से ड्रैगन बॉल को ड्रॉ नहीं किया। तो आज मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ एक ऑसम ड्रैगन बॉल पीस विद doodles। तो सबसे पहले I will start with a sketch।
It's getting criminal. You should see the place I'm living now. You can find the first that I'm giving up. I could say I'm very difficult. One by one, it's getting criminal.
Always start with the circle, boys.
I'm living now. You can find the first that I'm giving up. Little white boy with some brand new tunes. Little white lies gonna catch me soon. With some old shoes and some bad tattoos. Making our name for the things we do. Little white boy with some brand new tunes. Little white lies gonna catch me soon. With some old shoes and some bad tattoos. Making our name for the things we do.
Or up, time to draw the doodles.
And I might have misbehaved, but I'll take it to my grave. Never said that I was brave. Never noticed what I gave.
क्या वो आ गया? तो मैंने रिसेंटली एक लाइट ऑर्डर करी थी एंड ओके गाइस, सो टुडे आई प्रेजेंट टू यू ओह शिट टाइम टू फिक्स द प्लग। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन। ओके, तो आज आई प्रेजेंट टू यू Crazy light.
I could say I'm very difficult. One by one, it's getting criminal. You should see the place I'm living now. You can find the first that I'm giving up. I could say I'm very difficult.
Sketching done, or up, it's inking time.
This ain't nothing to me, no this ain't nothing to me. You niggas hate, y'all some wannabes. As far as I can see, quarantine, I stay to myself. Need my doja please, what you mean? I ball like Sharif, y'all put me in the lead.
B-roll.
What's with the long face? You got the wrong face. Need to go get you a big face. Carry some big weight. I had your bitch on a Wednesday. That was last Wednesday. Baby, can we just be friends? Hey, that's what I meant to say.
Those lines are nice.
What you got to offer me? Make me wanna stay. I like steak and lobster day with some creme brulee, caramel and chocolate bay.
Or inking is
She say it tastes good when she on one. Got a small bitch, need a tall one. Got a fire bitch, need a raw one. Got a shy bitch, got a dog one. I'ma fuck 'em all today.
oh boys, them lines look adhiktam sundar. So what would be the next step after inking? Coloring. लेकिन पेंसिल कलर के साथ कौन कलर करता है? So that is why today I, Dragon, will be using Daru pens. So let's get to coloring, boys, with some epic magic tricks and speed paint. Oh, nice. Let's go. Look at the sexy colors. Oof. Oh yeah. Up, it's skin coloring time. Let's get them watercolor boys out. Brush. Water. Or let's finish. Epic end, epic end, epic end, epic end, epic end, epic end. Oh, nice.
High speed with the top down on the 101 all night. On the west side, we just having fun. Smoking wood, we misunderstood. We don't give a fuck. But she know I hit the pussy good when I give a fuck.
Time to pack up now. हाँ जी माँ.
बेटा वाओ, ये ड्राइंग ये बॉक्स पे क्या लिखा है?
माँ बॉक्स पे
दारू पेन, दारू 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 पेन.